Hello guys, welcome back to StrollWithMe. I hope you all are doing well. So I know the pain of getting an empty apartment in Berlin. It's always the case, you don't get furnished apartments, and here I am today at a furniture shop called as Home 24. And actually this furniture shop is gonna really blow your mind. The prices are very less for the very extremely beautiful and the unique pieces. Usually people will go to IKEA to get the furniture for their home, because I know IKEA provides very good prices, but at the same time, if you are looking for something very unique and different, because whenever we look at the pieces when we pick from IKEA, they look very pale, and I mean they don't have any definition to it. If you want something very unique, then I would suggest maybe you pay a bit more, not too much, and at the same time you're gonna get it for very nice price and best pieces. So I'm gonna take you around the store. They have their online website. I'm gonna link the description below. You can check out. You can find different furniture pieces, kitchen utensils and much more on their website for half the price. Always in the outlet, as you know, the prices are 50% off. Otherwise, you can also come to their different stores throughout in Berlin. There are many different stores that they have. You can come and just check out in their stores as well. So now let's go and check the store.